All right, everybody, welcome back to day 5 of this Back Cove 41 install. The boys have pulled it off. We've got everything taken care of. We've got the autopilot all hooked up and dialed in. That is all set up. Dockside's all done. Just have to do a sea trial wizard with it once we get down to Manchester. We're going to go ahead and we'll get the mast off and put the mast back on when it gets to Manchester. We've got our backup cameras. You guys can, let's see, there. Got our backup camera going on up there. And then over here on our side deck, you can kind of see up there, we've got our side camera mounted as well, and that's all dialed in. We're going to go inside, show you what's going on in there. And yeah, guys have done a great job. This is all coming together and on time to get delivered for Boston Yachts. Let's go check out inside, see what we've got going on. So as you can see, we've got the PepWave hooked up, the stereo's all put back in. We've gone ahead, we've named our zones, named the stereo, the infamous unassigned space down there. We've gone ahead, we've got the black boxes all installed, everything's ready to go for that. Everything's hooked up, we've got the networking in, the AIS is in, the network port expander, the engine room camera modules, the AIS, the NEMA, the network, everything is there. And then one of the other things that we've gone ahead and done on this boat, kind of wanted to show you guys what we've got going on here with this, and that is we've taken all our cameras, we've named everything, and we've set up a couple of key features that work really nice on this boat. So when we go from our one helm AV gauges screen, we can select video. Now there we go, there's our backup camera that we've talked about. We've got that, which is a nice feature, right? We go into menu, we select source. Now we've got our port side camera. We're going to get a really nice view if you're coming into the dock. That is the opposite side of the helm. You really can't see over that way, so it's a really nice way to be able to look and see how close to the dock you are and what's going on. It's a nice accessory to go along with your backup camera. And then the ever popular as well on this is we go to our source, we can choose engine, and now we have our engine room camera, so we can keep situational awareness, always critical, on what's going on. You see that we've got our through hull, we've got our turbo, we've got our fuel lines, we've got coolers, everything right there that we can see at a quick glance. But the nice part about these Garmin cameras here, if you'll notice, is as I go down here and turn off the engine room lights, all of a sudden it's going to transfer over, and now we've got low light. So even with the lights off in the engine room, we still have the functionality of the camera. We don't have to run around with the bilge lights on, drawing more battery power down. So it's a really nice feature. And then the other nice thing that we can do on this is I've set up in the combo mode, you see we've got video, and now in the video screen it's going to come up and we've got all 3 cameras. And let's just say we're cruising along, we've got all 3 up on one display. One of them I want to see more because the engine situational awareness running along. I touch on the screen, I tell it expand. Now I've got the full picture of what's going on in the engine room with one touch of a button. When I go back, I simply hit the back button. Now it's going to revert back. I can do that for all 3 panels without a problem. So it's a really nice feature to have. And then we hit back to home, and we can go back to there. We can control our stereo. We've got our autopilot controls. We have all of those features as well set up. So it's a really nice way to do that. All right, so 5 days. We've got all of this installed. We've done our PepWave install. We've networked our Fusion Stereo into our Garmin displays. We've labeled all the zones, named the Bluetooth, got everything going. We've also gone ahead, we've set up the Garmin Wi-Fi one helm network over there for the active captain. We've got the memory cards in there. We've networked everything in. We've got our AIS, our VHF, our autopilot, our transducer, all the cameras, all that good stuff. So that's pretty much it. What do you guys think? Should we be doing more videos of these, of daily updates, of all the electronic and technology installs we do here? Is that something you guys want to see? Or do you guys want to see more of just finished results and things like that? Let me know. Give me a mention in the comments down there. Let me know what you guys think. And as always, give us a follow on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook at Navtronics. And if you've watched any of the Sundays with Sally, you know what I'm about to do. I'm going to crank some tunes, kick back, and figure out what I'm going to do next. So until next time, guys, peace.